everybody and welcome back to Discover with Moni Mouse. I'm going to have lunch at Hakuna Matata. There's a special lunch menu for the Lion King and Jungle Book season. You can also meet Mickey in his safari outfit and Rafiki, and it costs you 39 euros. You should reserve it beforehand, and I'm going to try the food now. So that's what we got for lunch. We have a little salad here, a drink and something to eat. What it is I have to read out. It's a yassa chicken, plantain, beef meatballs, sauté shrimps, raw and cooked vegetable salad and sweet and sour dressing with peanuts. That's for the salad. As you can see, it's not a lot. You have 2 meatballs, you have, I don't know, 5 shrimps and a little bit of chicken, and that's probably the, what is it? The plantain. But yeah, I'm going to try it out now. So there's also a vegan option and a kids option, as you can see on the menu. So first I tried the very healthy vegetables. I think that's pumpkin, I'm not sure. So I tried the vegetables with pumpkin and peanuts, and there's also pineapple in it. I don't really like the mixture between pineapple and salad, but hey, it's my lunch. So now I will try this plantain. I don't know what it is, so it tastes like banana, a fried banana. Actually it's good, it's a little bit sweet, so it could be a Chinese dessert as well. Hi Rafiki, how are you? Where's your stick? You left it? At home. Pictures? What are you doing? Like this? Yes. So what else on my plate? Let's try the chicken. Oh, Mickey is here! Yay, you're finally here! Hi Mickey, I love your new outfit. So adventurous. I'm also on my adventure, see it? Yeah. I don't tell Minnie. I will meet Minnie later in her safari outfit. I don't tell her. She will be jealous? No? No. I don't tell her, okay? Thank you, Mickey. Have a day full of adventures. Bye. So let's try the chicken again after I met Mickey. It's a little bit spicy, but it's good. But not a lot of chicken. It's a lot of onions and cabbage actually. I don't know what it is. But you just have 2 or 3 pieces of chicken and the rest is something else. So now I tried the rice. It's actually very good. It's just plain rice, but it has a special, I don't know, I can't explain it in English very well, but you could eat it without any sauce or anything else. It's very good, the rice. So last but not least we have the meatballs, only made of beef, and they are okay, but nothing really special. The sauce is like a tomato sauce with it. You can mix it with the rice, but as I said before, I like the rice without anything. And yeah, we have only 2, so not a lot. So the theming in Hakuna Matata is African, so it matches the season as well. So I'm already outside of Hakuna Matata. At the end you get an ice cream as a dessert, and I love the theming because it has a little Simba chocolate. So the ice cream is very sweet. You don't taste the coconut really, but it has a lot of sugar. But it's okay. But I don't know if I'm going to eat the whole one. So I'm going to sum up this lunch event while eating my ice cream because it's melting already. So yeah, as I said at the beginning, it cost you 39 euros. The sizes, I thought at the beginning they're a little bit small, but actually I'm really full, and I don't know if I can eat the whole ice cream, but the interaction was really short. Mickey was a little bit longer, Rafiki not. I don't know. I don't think I would pay 39 euros again for this experience. It was a nice experience, and the theming and everything matches the season. But 39 euros for lunch, only with 2 characters, it's a lot of money. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys!